Geometrical Drawing 2, Blending of Curves. Curves are integrated into engineering design for the purpose of eliminating sharp edges, eliminate stress centers, and avoid extra machining. They also improve aesthetic appeal. Blending of curves is done at a point of tangency to smooth transition between elements of the components, so between lines and arcs and between two arcs. In blending any curve, it is important to locate the center of the arc. Some aspects of this has been previously covered. So we have covered a lot of blending of curves in circles and tangency. So you may need to review some of circles and tangency to see how it is done. So these are some of the major points that we did before. So additional application. While tangency mostly dealt with lines meeting arcs, additional application involved blending a number of arcs at different radii. For example, joining parallel lines with two radii over a distance both shorter and longer than the given radii. Joining parallel lines given the ratio of the radii. So this more or less is simple. It just increases based on the knowledge you already gained in circles and tangency. So I'll go through the exercise, which is based on the chapter in the book. So the exercise is based on chapter 8 of Geometric Engineering Drawing. So there are 9 examples within the chapter itself and 9 questions at the end of the chapter. So you're going to do the 9 examples. I just gave some dimensions for you all to work with. So for example, the first one is blending a curve where two lines meet at right angles. So using 90 millimeters for the lines and 30 millimeters for the curve. So you want to join them seamlessly so that they meet. The book itself has a step-by-step on how to do it. So you go through all the examples, the 9 examples, and then at the end of the chapter there's 9 questions. So this is the book, Blending of Lines and Curves. So have a read through of the write-up and then you'll reach the examples. So like I said, the first one is 2 lines with an arc joining. So these lines are given 90 and 90, and then this curve you could draw it at 30 mils. So there's a step-by-step here, and I want you all to do each of the examples. So the assignment would be each of the 9 examples and the 9 questions at the end. So the 9 examples will help build your understanding of how to blend curves within lines and lines or lines and curves. So as you go through the examples, you'll build your knowledge. It will be reviewing a lot of the stuff you already did, and then eventually you'll get to some new stuff. So all of this should look very familiar. And then this is the handle of our plane, a wooden plane, a manual wooden plane. So you could see how it has straight lines and it has arcs. So you could see how they blend seamlessly to form a nice smooth transition. So it actually goes through all the construction on how to do it. So some of these would be newer. This is arcs given to join 2 parallel lines with 2 equal radii, the sum of which equals the distance between the lines. So there's a step-by-step here. So all these you could go through, and at the end of the chapter there are 9 questions. So these would be based on everything you've done so far. So I want you all to do all this as the exercise, and then I'll go through a bit more next week. So this one, as you can see, is a wrench. It's a bit tricky and it would take a bit of time and effort to get it, but once you understand the basics, you'll be able to do this.